house that I'm in front of is 5248 Barron Park Drive. This house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 1,245 square feet, and it sits on around a 6,000 square foot lot. Why don't you come in and check it out? Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services, and what I love about this house is it could be classified as a blank slate or a fixer-upper type of house, but we're only talking about the cosmetics. All of the capital upgrades, the really expensive under-the-hood stuff on this house has all been done for you. So a buyer that wants to use this house as their primary residence could literally come in and do a full-blown interior remodel and make it exactly what they want on the inside and not have to spend any money on plumbing, electrical, the roof. It already has double pane windows, all this beautiful landscaping that's been recently redone. The exterior's been painted. Taste specific stuff that you would want to do as a buyer is all up to you. And it's right off of Marshall Cottle Park, which is literally a 250-acre county-owned park that will always be a park. And of course, I love Vista Park. The level of maintenance of the houses in this neighborhood are all at a really high level. It's a great commute location to the peninsula where Facebook, Apple, Google, LinkedIn, and all of the companies that the Silicon Valley is world-renowned for are all headquartered. Additionally, only about 4.5 miles from downtown San Jose, where Google plans to build its largest U.S. campus. Not to mention, there's actually Vista Park right in the middle of this neighborhood. It's a hop, skip, and a jump to Oakridge Mall, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, Costco, 87, 85, light rail, Caltrain. It's all right here at your fingertips, but yet has that very, very suburban feel where it's very family oriented and a quiet neighborhood. You have to come check this one out. And as always, I want to say thank you for watching the video presentation of this beautiful house. If you have any questions about this house or any other house in the neighborhood, please feel free to give me a call or send me a text message at the number below.